A lot of people wanted to see an update on MGOL, and this is actually coming close to a bottom reversal, trading against the trend type of setup. And this is a lot of the times is if you are patient, you can make massive money on these particular penny stock setups because the penny stocks that do this are the ones that can move up like 100%. It's insane. So what we're looking for is to see, hey, are we touching this green band? And that is a Keltner channel. Keltner channels use ATR, which is an average to range, and that basically means is when you go down so much, you stock can only hit a certain level so much where it creates imbalance. And when it's imbalanced, then it starts to go up to the reversion to the mean. And that reversion to the mean, where all stocks do, no matter how crappy the stock is the EMA 5, 10, and 20. The 5 is my purple, and that's going to be your first target. So when I'm looking at NGOL, I want to see a pattern like this. Do we have massive EMA 5 time distance? Are we at the green band? And do we have a low K value? As you can see, this KDJ is a line that tells us, are we bottoming out? And it's often used as an indicator to get precise entries. So from here to this low, we've made 100% move up, 132%. And where do we reject? Well, we rejected at this 5, we went down, and then we come to the 10, and we rejected. So this will tell you how precise algos are. We touch the 10, go down, touch the 10, go down. So I do see this, that the EMA 20 has not been hit since 11/26. And why is that important? Because anytime we don't touch the EMA in 2 months, it is considered long. So 12/26, 1/26, and now it's February 2nd. So that is over 2 months. But we don't just base our trade based on that alone. If you do this exact thing, your entries will be really precise and you can make massive money. So a lot of people will see MGOL go down 25%, meets a new low, and they might think, okay, this is a good time to get in. And then it goes down another 23%, down 41%, and then down 40%. And it's just like, where do you look to get in? You want to look for a couple patterns that I love to see. One, I always like to see, are we at least near like 6 to 7 daily candles away from the EMA 5? Right now, oh, not touching the EMA 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 daily candles. Next thing I like to see is, are we consolidating? Are we forming a base? Are we seeing that the selling pressure is getting lower? As you can see, look at these candles here. Look at my volume. Right here, we got low volume on the low volume, and then it increases. Look at look at these candles here. You see how the bodies are getting bigger? Next candle, more volume. Next candle, more sell volume. Next candle, more sell volume. It hits this peak, and now on this candle, we dropped on sell volume. So what I want to see is, I want to see this get lower. Just like on over here, I want to see a consolidation pattern, when it starts to move up. You can see right here, we have nice green volume coming in. We have some sell. It gets lower, and then bam, it pops. So you don't want to catch a falling knife, and this is what this strategy kind of avoids, is if you wait a long time from the EMA 5, a lot of the times that happens is price will come back up to it. And that is looking like a 48% gain. So I would love to see if price comes down to this area. One, two, like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. This is looking really good, actually. I would say around the 6th or 7th. I would say on the 7th daily candle, give it 2 more days for your best risk versus reward. We're at a 5K value. See if we get a little lower, and this is looking really good for a pot. The longest you wait, the better. Usually what happens is on 7 daily candles, you usually see it move up. I actually don't really see anything wrong with buying this here near the 6th daily candle or 7th. Usually, I do see that we have a little bit of gaps here. We have a gap there, we have a gap here, and we have a gap here. And so what happens is, a lot of times with gaps, is the indicators lag and they take time to be like, where is the actual price should be for the EMA 5? And then so it takes a little time to kind of scale down to that area. But this is looking really good, guys. I really like this right here in the 10-cent region. But a lot of you guys probably bought it way up in here, the 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, and it sucks. And that's why I try to be really picky with trend reversals. If I miss out on the trade and this thing just goes up, it is totally fine. It could have easily dropped here and went up. It could have easily dropped here and went up. I'm just basing my system on bottom reversals that are at extreme levels. Using this system, you can find reversals that go extreme levels and then make gigantic returns. It's not going to happen often, but you can get some of these plays once a week, easy. So that's how I kind of be like, you know what, I don't want to play this stock because it's not at this lower green band. It doesn't have time distance, and it has a high K value. Look at this first candle here, 15K value. Then the next candle here is 13, then 9, then 6, 5, and now we're getting juicy. We're at that 5 mark. So let's see what this does. I know we have tariffs causing the market to kind of look a little weak, so we'll see if this drops down, and this is looking a lot good. For the K value, I would look for a 3 to 4 range. We got the time distance now, maybe a retest of this lower band. We have consolidation now coming in here and through here. We also have now, we have the sell volume decrease now, and so we want to see, this is looking like a good range. So, and like I like to tell people, accumulate once a day. Don't say I think this is the exact bottom. This is system is that can get precise entries, but we never know for sure what the exact bottom is. But I do know this is getting very close. A lot of candles that don't touch the EMA5 at 7 daily candles is long. Remember that. 7 daily candles not touching the EMA5 is long, but depending on the gaps, they could take a little longer. I think this will touch an 8 to 9 daily candles, and you can make a nice gain. EMA5 is your first target. That is probably where price is going to reject, and that's where the algos will put some sell orders in. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and you like how I use this system, and you like how I do this, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it will say a link it will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. If you want to become a member, it's going to be super affordable. Watching this video, I'm going to give you guys an all-time low cost of $12 a month to access every single service that I have that took me years to develop and be a full-time trader doing these strategies. All you have to do is join the Discord. I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Click on day trade alerts right in here on this channel, and that will give you access to everything. You can also read how to subscribe, and it's super easy, but basically if you do have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, and it's actually better to do that because you avoid the iOS fee if you use the app. So it's $12 a month. You're gonna love it. You're gonna learn a lot, and it's not just basically pure signal service where you will get alerts sent to your phone if you're busy, but I'll give you guys the chart patterns like, hey, I like this a lot for a setup. I think I played, I believe this ticker right here in the Discord last time. You see that the pattern we had right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles not hitting this. I saw that we had kind of a bit moved down, and we played it all the way through here. We accumulated all this, and then we had this massive pump of 40% right in here. Massive gains, and that's what I expect with MGOL. We expect price to, let this price slow down. I'm going to look to buy it in about 1 to 2 days. I'm going to see what the K value is, and I'm going to see what the return is to the EMA5. It's very simple, very easy to do. Everyone can do it. Set up your charts like this. I have in my swing trading education how to set up charts like this. But I would love to have you guys in the Discord. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. And if you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you there. And let's make some money. Peace out.